Hi, it's your girl hunchovb. Today we're going to do some sous vide chicken, and then we're going to finish it off in the air fryer. Well, right around Christmas time, No Hippie Barbecue had this code that where you could get a sous vide stick at a discount, and I took advantage of that code and I got me my first sous vide stick. I've always wanted to try that, but they were so expensive before, I just kind of held off. But now I've just heard so many good things about the sous vide cooking and the results that it gives, so we're going to do that. I wanted to do my first sous vide dish with you guys. So I have taken some chicken breast and put some seasoning on it and put some 2 pats of butter in here, and I vacuum sealed the bag. So come on, let me show you what the sous vide setup I have. Okay guys, this is my sous vide stick. It's put out by Avalon Bay, and as I said, I got it off of the code off of No Hippie Barbecue's channel. So check him out. It may still be effective. So I'm going to take the chicken and put it down in the water. Okay, so now I got my chicken submerged in the water, and it's going to cook at 148 degrees. It's going to cook at 148 degrees in this bath of water for a little over an hour. So I'll come back in a bit. Okay, so I've taken the chicken out of the water bath with the sous vide stick. I'm going to open up the bag, take the chicken breast out. I think I'm going to probably cut them into maybe tenders or something. And then I'm going to batter them with the, I'm going to try this Louisiana chicken fry. I'm going to switch it up and try a different breader. Okay, and then after that we're going to put it in the air fryer. So be right back. Okay, I pat the chicken breast dry, and you see everything is cooked. And as I understand it with sous vide, in order to get that brownness, you're going to have to finish it off by searing it or doing something else to it. But as I understand it, the taste is supposed to be amazing. So I put my breading in the bag. I also added about a half a teaspoon of paprika and about a half a teaspoon of Old Bay. Okay, so this looks like it gives it a light breading. And then I'm going to pop these, I'm going to spray them and pop them into the air fryer. Okay, so that's the way that it looks after I sprayed it. And now I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Now I want to remind you guys, this is my first time doing sous vide. So hopefully this will be a big success. So it's in the fryer. I'm going to do 400 for, I'll say 10 minutes, maybe it'll be less. I'm going to check it back in 5. Okay guys, so here's my sous vide air fried chicken. Okay, so presentation wise, I think it looks good. Now the taste, as they say, the taste is in the pudding. So we got to taste it and see what we're working with. Okay. Now one thing I've noticed, one thing I noticed is that I probably could have used more breading. Maybe I could have put it in an egg wash and then floured it. But here again, I didn't want much breading, so let's see. Okay. Cut right through. Looks good. See? This is good. Guys, this is good. Okay guys, I just wanted you to see for real my plate. My first sous vide dish. Yummy. Now it is tender, like they said it's supposed to be. And I like that it's seasoned. Here goes again. I'm ready to eat. I'm excited. I have to decide what I'm going to fix next. Okay. Thanks for coming and sharing this first time experience with me. So until next time, hunchovb is out.